So upon doing the postmortem, our finding was that the red Bernard was actually strangled. There was some mark on the neck, which was caused by a rope. He had evidence of someone who had lacked air, and which led to his death. We also saw some injuries on the chest. There were rib fractures on the right side, from the 7th, 8th, and 9th rib on the right side. So the main thing was that he was actually strangled to death and probably thrown to the river. He was decomposed, and when a body decomposes, there are some changes which might be misconstrued as injuries. So when you look at the eyes, they look collapsed just because of decomposition. But the other injuries that you saw was on the head, because we saw a lot of bruising also on the scalp, on the left side.
Sasa tungeomba saizi, sababu sasa maneno ni kama ndisa yao, wale wa uzunguzi wamemaliza maneno yao, tusikie tu hata kesho watu wako ndani. Tusikie tu hata watu wanaenda, justice inaendelea kufanya kazi yake, ndio tuone haki yetu hata kabla tujampumzisha Bernard, tuwe tumepata haki yake.
Na kemo buge